So eating healthier is easier when it's something that actually tastes good. Our partners at AllRecipes have the answer, a keto breakfast bite. Let's check it out.
Hi friends, I'm Cassandra Jones. I'm a busy working mom, and anytime that I cook for my family, a recipe needs to check 3 boxes for me. It needs to be easy, nutritious, and budget friendly. Today's Paleo Egg Muffins from AllRecipes does all of that and more, because the best part is you can meal prep these and have breakfast for the entire week. I think it's a recipe that you and your family are going to love. So hey parents, grab your coffee and let's get cooking. So here's what you're gonna need. We have some eggs, egg whites, red bell pepper, onion, diced ham, and a little bit of water. We're also gonna need a muffin tin. So let's start by preheating our oven to 350. The recipe calls for 8 eggs, but I'm gonna use a mixture of 4 eggs and 4 egg whites. First, let's measure out our egg whites. We're gonna need about 3/4 cup to equal 4 eggs. We've got our egg whites in our bowl. Now let's start cracking our eggs. We've got our eggs in the bowl, and now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of water. We have our eggs together. Now let's get to dicing our vegetables. We're gonna need a cup of onion and bell pepper. We have our cup of onions, so let's add it to the bowl. Cup of bell peppers. Now we add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And now we add in our 8 ounces of diced ham. Mix it all together. And now you can grease or line your muffin pan. Pour your mixture into each tin. And now we're gonna bake these beauties for 18 to 20 minutes. That is a beautiful sound. Our muffins are ready, so let's go ahead and take them out of the oven. Ooh, these look beautiful. Can't wait to taste one. These look so delicious. Are you ready to try a bite? Is that yummy?
Well, Cassandra and her little helper, they're doing the most. We're all probably hungry now. I just checked out AllRecipes' website. There are also some variations where you can use Greek yogurt and cottage cheese to really help boost the protein. Gina?
Good idea. Thanks, Belinda.